Today I'm going to share a method where you can help people to overcome from depression or anxiety, and you can make a good number of amount from your home. So welcome back to another videos. Thanks for supporting Smart Money Space. We will keep on posting video stuff like this, and let's start this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. It gives me some energy to keep on post videos like this. So today we are going to promote a product from Clickbank. Clickbank is basically a good affiliate network where there are a n number of good products where you can promote and you can make a good amount of money from your home, and this is the best thing you can start right away from your home. So today we are in Clickbank, and we have chosen the niche of self-help, and in self-help you can select self-esteem, where you can promote a product related to depression and anxiety. As you can see, there is a product shyness and social anxiety, and you can start promoting this product by just clicking on promote link, and you can just generate the link and copy the link from here, and you can go to any website like how to overcome depression or anything something like that, and you can start copying their website link, and you can go to exit bar basically a call to action website, where you can make your customer to get back to your affiliate page, and if they buy the product you can make a good number of amount of money. So let's start this video without any hesitation. You can come to any website like how to overcome depression and anxiety. My suggestion is choose the website where there is no images of the person or anything else. Just there will be no images. It will be very good. So I am going to copy this link, and I am going to come to this website which is called exit bar, and I am going to paste this link, and I am going to shorten the link, and here is the link, and I am going to press go. After this you have to name the link. So I am going to name this as a how to overcome anxiety, and yes, everything is okay, and you have to give the heading like anxiety is a serious issue. You can give anything, and you can copy this from any blog or any website, and you can just copy and paste it here, and you can select delay time as 0.5 seconds. Okay, so here you have to give to no more, and for here button URL you have to copy the link from here. Just copy from here and paste it here, and yeah, everything is okay. So we are good to go, and start clicking generate link, and there is no need to give this, and you can directly skip this part, and yes, your link has been ready. Just click on here, and you can start copying this link and paste it here. As you can see, everything is okay, and yes, your affiliate link will be appear here like anxiety is a serious issue, means are used to work to being active and having goals. So everything is here, and you can start clicking no more, and it will be redirected to your affiliate page. And if someone buys the product, you can make a good amount of money right away from your home. And you can also start promoting this link in Twitter, like you can select depression or anything, and you can start selecting, like you can go and message them directly, like you can also message like comment, and you can say that here is the method where you can overcome depression and anxiety. I'm going to share. You share the blog. If they read the blog and they like the blog, they will sure come to your page, and you can start make a good amount of money. And you can also create a pin. Yeah, you can also create a pin in Pinterest, like how to overcome anxiety and everything like that, and you can add your affiliate link in that, and you can start making good amount of money. So Clickbank is a best method where you can start your affiliate journey. It's the best method. Start right away, and you can make a good amount of money if you keep on working like every day a hour, and you can make good amount of money. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you can also promote these links in any Facebook account, and you can directly go to any Facebook group and promote this link, like how to overcome anxiety, depression. You can directly search in the Facebook groups or anxiety and depression groups, and there will be lots and lots of groups, and you can promote these links. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.